Hello, this is a tutorial about how to use the Goose Chase app. Goose Chase is an online scavenger hunt creator that educators or anyone with an account can use to create scavenger hunts as an interactive blended learning tool. So first I'm going to get rid of this ad. And we are at goosechase.com. You can also get here through goosechase.com/edu, which is the corner of this application that is for educators. So we're going to log in. And my info is already populated in here, so I'm just going to log in. If you forgot your password, you can get an email alert, or if you are brand new to this, you can just sign up. It was very easy, just had to do an email password and had to just explain if I was an educator or a student or just a non-educator regular person using the app. So we're going to log in. And since I have already created an account, these are the games that have come up for me. These are games that actually existed already in the platform that I thought would be relevant or interesting to the kind of work that I'm doing as a librarian and also as an actor in my other side jobs. So this is my list of games, but to give you a little bit of a tour of how a game works, what I will do is I will pick this one here up at the top. This is a game I've been working on that is a draft of a game that already existed in the app. So when you click on a game, it will give you a chance to upload an image if you want. If there's a particular image, I just left the stock image of books because it is a library scavenger hunt. And it will let you name the game. It will let you change the game description. So I left this at the stock description so I could show you what I might say differently about it. So let's say it's the first day of school, or it's the first library rotation for a certain class, and you just want them to be able to get to know the library. So welcome, let's capitalize that. Welcome to a new school year. Today we will be learning about the library through a library treasures scavenger hunt. You can pick a location for the game. That's not necessary. You can pick a password. That's also not necessary. So when this game description information is all looking how you would like it to, you go to Save and Continue. And this is where you can edit the game and make it a little bit more suited to your class or the grade or whatever. So this is the stock game. So these are stock questions built into the game. What do I do with shelf markers? I don't know what to read. How many books can I check out? Where do I check in and out my books? Take a picture of the librarian. Take a picture of good library behavior. Share a picture of a book you're reading. What time does your class go to the library? So all of these elements could be altered. So if you hover over a game element, you'll get edit or delete. So let's pick one just to practice editing. Click. Okay. So let's say I just wanted to make this a little bit different. So take a group selfie of, instead of one book, so could say three books your team would like to read as a group this year. And can save that change. And now you can also change, oh, that's loading to the side. I apologize, you can't see that very well. You can change point value. You can rearrange the steps. really any game can be altered to fit what your class might need. So to start and stop the game, this is what you would do. You would go to Start and Stop. You would go to Start Game. And the game will appear down here, scheduled in live games, that the game went live today, 11:42 a.m. And the way your students would access this is they would have access to a smartphone that had the Goose Chase app on it, and they would enter the app and they would enter this code right down here, the Y33Z8V, and that would get them into the game. And then they would be able to access the game. And the game duration here is 30 minutes. That can be changed. You could make it an hour. You could make it 10 minutes. Any of those facets. And then when all the teams were done, you would just stop the game. And that's a little mini tour. I hope you've enjoyed this. And I'm excited to play around in this app more. Thank you so much. Bye for now.